If you want to change lock screen wallpaper on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to find Wallpaper and Style, so let's go ahead and select this option. Then here we have the lock screen preview. Now, in here, we should be able to simply go to More Wallpapers here in this section, unless you want to use one of these options that we have available straight away, but most likely you want to tap on More Wallpapers to find many different categories to choose from. As you can see, the list goes on and on. So you should be able to choose one of these options. I'm sure you can find something for yourself. Let's say I'm gonna choose Created Culture. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different wallpapers, and you can just choose whichever you'd like the most. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now, if you like this wallpaper, if you actually want to set it up, just tap on the next. And since we want to set it just for the lock screen, at least I assume, then you can uncheck the home screen so that it won't be affected. And of course, we can tap on Apply. In some cases, before you actually apply the wallpaper, you should also be able to, for example, zoom in and zoom out, and also move the wallpaper around. You can, of course, do that even after setting up the wallpaper. You can just go to the preview over here and you can make that change. And there we go. That is pretty much it. We have changed the lock screen wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.